enzyme in the plant pathogenesis. You know that the pathogens like the bacteria and fungi which attack the host plant and for the successful establishment for the invasion of the pathogen inside the host and for the successful establishment of the pathogen in the host plant and for causing the disease development, some enzymes are synthesized and secreted by the pathogens, and these enzymes are broadly classified into two groups. Some enzymes work on the cell wall and some other enzymes work on the cell membrane. The enzymes secreted by the pathogens which attack or which work on the cell wall of the host cell include the cutinase, pectinase, cellulase, hemicellulase, and ligninase. Whereas the enzymes which affect or which attack the cell membrane include the proteolytic enzyme like proteinases, peptidases, and the lipases. And lipases are of four types: phospholipase A, phospholipase B, phospholipase C, and phospholipase D. Now, Rakshan, look at the whiteboard, and I am going to discuss the role of each enzymes in the plant pathogenesis. And I will discuss here the name of the enzyme and their site of action and their role in the development of the disease. Look at the whiteboard. This is the at first look here. This is the I have shown here in the central position the pathogenesis. So pathogenesis means plant disease development, and these are the names of the enzymes: cutinase, pectinase, cellulase, hemicellulase, and ligninase. Okay, these are the enzymes which attack and which affect the cell wall of the host. These two enzymes, proteinases and lipases, these enzymes work on the cell membrane of the host cell. Now look at the function of the action of these enzymes. Look here, I have written. Let us see the first cutinase. Cutinase or cuticular enzyme. Cuticular enzyme, you can say. This cutinase acts on cutin. What is cutin? Cutin is a complex polysaccharide. And what does this cutinase do? This cutinase enzyme softens and degrades cuticular layer and helps in the penetration or invasion of the pathogen into the host cell. You know that cuticular layer is a protective layer, and this cuticular layer which is made up of cutin. And what is cutin? Cutin is a complex polysaccharide. So when a pathogen come in contact with the host cell, the pathogen releases cutinase enzyme, and this cutinase enzyme breaks down by making the cuticle soft, and it not only it softens the cuticular layer, but it also degrades the cuticular layer. This degradation helps in the successful penetration or invasion of the pathogen inside the host. Now let us look at the second enzyme, which is known as the pectinase. Pectinase or pectic enzyme. This pectic enzyme, what is the pectin? Pectin is the main component of the middle lamella of the cell. And middle lamella of the cell. So what does this pectinase do? This pectic enzyme degrade the pectic substances which are the components of the middle lamella. Okay? So this pectic enzyme or pectinase brings about the degradation of the pectic substances present in the middle lamella. And this pectin enzyme in turn are of two types: pectinestrase and PE, that is pectinestrase or PME, pectin methylestrase. The second one is the PG, which stands for polygalacturonase enzyme. What is the function of this pectinase estrase? This pectinase brings about the hydrolysis of the pectin present in the cell wall of the host. Whereas this polygalacturonase enzyme brings about the maceration of the host tissue in plant That is, this enzyme brings about this enzyme is also known as chain splitting enzyme. What is the meaning of maceration? Maceration is the separation of the cells. The separation of cells from the tissue is known as the maceration. So this electronic brings about or catalyzes the maceration of the host tissue. Now look at the third enzyme. This is the cellulolytic enzyme or cellulolytic enzymes are of two types. Cellulase, hemicellulase. This cellulase brings about degradation of the cellulose present in the cell wall, whereas this hemicellulose, which is of two types, binase and carabinase. This hemicellulose enzyme brings about the catalysis the hemicellulose component of the cell wall. Look at the lignolytic enzymes or ligninases. What is the function of this ligninase enzyme? You know that the lignin is secondary cell wall, and ligninase catalyzes the degradation of lignin present in the secondary cell wall. This lignin is generally secreted and synthesized by the members of the class Basidiomycetes, particularly Hymenomycetes fungus. Look at these are the names of the enzyme which are which act on the cell wall. Now let us know some about the proteolytic enzymes. Proteolytic enzymes, which is known as proteinases, and the and lipolytic enzymes, which work on the cell membrane of the host cell. These proteolytic enzymes brings about the degradation, brings about the conversion of polypeptide chain, and finally lipolytic enzymes catalyzes the breakdown of the brings about the lipid component of the cell wall, and these lipases are of four types: phospholipase A, phospholipase B, phospholipase C, and phospholipase D. So these are the names of the 6 enzymes which are synthesized and created by the pathogen for the plant. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.